Hey guys, Alpha Price here. Welcome back to the Middle Earth Collector channel. Today I have another Hobbit hole I'd like to show you, and it is 33 Lakeside. And I am really excited because I'm also got all the Hobbit holes. I got 3 more left to get after this one. So let's get right into this one, and I'm excited to show you this one. Let's get right into it. I really am excited about Hobbit holes. I hope they make the whole thing of them, like all the Hobbit holes from the Shire, because I'm gonna be I'm hoping to get them all. I want them to make them all because I want to do like a whole village of them. Got it over there. And as you can see there, so cool. So excited. Let's open her up. There we go. These are cool little Hobbit holes, and not a space hog. And they're decently priced. Some of them are going a little bit more expensive now, but if you like the Hobbit holes, I'd say go for them like I have. They're so fun to collect. And I just love environments. I really do. Environments are so much fun to collect. I like to get, what's the other one I need to get? The Doors of Durin, I believe it is. Because that's one of the other ones I like to get. And these little guys are so cool. Ooh. I'm loving this one. That is so cool, guys. And this one is sculpted by David Tremont. So cool. I'll show you some close-ups here real quick, just an overview. I always love the texture of these little guys, the Hobbit doors, just everything about these. I just love them. And like I said, they're not a space hog, and so they're just something about them I really like. I really love them. Yeah, and then I like on here has the mailbox and all that. I'll show you some close-ups here real quick. I just love these. I can't say enough. So let's show you some close-ups now. So here is the 33 Lakeside. So cool. I absolutely love this. You can see the grain of the door on there. All the neat little flowers. You can see what I mean with the mailbox. I love that. And then the wooden wheelbarrow. the wine barrel in the back with the flowers on top. I love the blue door matching the Hobbit hole door. And then all the firewood and all that. You can see what I mean with all the texture of the greenery on top, all the way around. And then you can see all the gravel kind of path leading to the door and stuff. The two little rocks up against the door. These are so cool, guys. Absolutely love these. You know, yellow flowers there. It's just, oh, a little bench there. That's cool. Yeah. I love, like I said, I love these Hobbit holes. So cool. Great to collect. Not expensive or anything like that. So you can see on the back here, just flat, nothing on the back. So yeah, no, I love these Hobbit holes. So cool. Show you some more. Bring that closer. There you go. Two rocks in the back. All the firewood again. Love the, oh yeah. A little rock brickwork on it too as well. So you can see there. On the other side too. And then his brooms. Yeah, such a cool little piece. Awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video of 33 Lakeside. Comment down below what you guys thought. Like and subscribe. Have a great day and see you in the next video.